Some games didn't just entertain us, they stayed with us. Do you remember Xenogears? Let me bring you back. Released in 1998, Xenogears was something special. 2 discs, a beautiful manual, and a story that felt far bigger than the game itself. It wasn't just about combat, it was about philosophy, identity, and the feeling of being part of something mysterious. Games like this didn't just rush you, they let you sit with them. Did you ever experience Xenogears?